Push the content, y'all. No cap. You hear me? Appreciate this. You hear me? Chopper season. The link work now. Get it. Bars. You hear me? We on some new shit now. You hear me? We gonna we on some new. You hear me? Yeah, y'all. Appreciate everybody. You hear me? We on that loco. Yeah, we on that loco on the hop. Yeah, all my real ones. You hear me? No cap. You hear me? Yeah, Mike. Bars. Yeah, watch it all the way till my boy got out. You hear me? We some real ones. Let's go. They don't understand the real ones. You hear me? Like I said, all the real ones. I'm talking about the ones you already know. If I see y'all on live, you know, I hop on all my channels to show love. That's the support I want back. You hear me? I want that type of support. You hear me? Y'all know what I'm talking about. All the real ones know. You hear me? Yeah. You know, when you see one channel, then you see two channels, then you see three. Yeah, back to back to back. Yeah, I like that type of love. You hear me? Bars. You hear me? Checkmate. Let's go. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. The real one. You hear me? Yeah. What? I just hit. No, you probably gotta redo it again and go in. Because I just hit the link. Let me see. I just hit that stupid link. Bars. Yeah, look, Mike, I'm gonna pop on. I told you that bit work, you hear me? That bit working on the stinking link working, you did. They can't stop us, you hear me? Bars. Let's go, y'all. I told you. Yeah. It's working. Is you gotta I'm talking about re-loop it and make sure it pop the new one back up. Because if you ain't let it pick up on the other channel when I reposted it. It should say like a second ago. Bars. Yeah, man. We the best. Yeah. We want some new shit. Yeah, we want some grown folks shit. Not no clout chasing shit. Bars. Yeah, everybody say, man, run my boy channel, you hear me? 762 Chopper Season. You already know how we rock. You hear me? Yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. My boy on, man, you hear me? I already knew he was on some new shit when I saw that camera. He moving that bitch just, you know what I'm talking about? I said, oh, he got that new camera. That, you hear me? That bitch just following them. I said, oh, I need that. I need that. That be nice. You hear me? I try to get away from that bitch. Yeah, Mike, I like that. Yes, sir. I like that. Yeah, you hear me? You on some new. You hear me, Mike? I ain't seen that yet. Yeah, I'm about to go check that video out and try to look up that. That be nice. You hear me? Yeah, bro, that be nice. No cap. You hear me? I said, ooh, Mike up there trying to run away from it. That bitch just catch him. Ooh, caught you. Yeah, that's one of them bad bitches, Mike. I like that. Yeah, I like that right there. You got that. Yeah, that's that new. That's that new. We on that loco. We going loco. Bars. Yeah, man. You already know. Yeah, y'all. Much love to the real ones, man. Yeah, look at you hear me trying to move on that big.
Yeah,
Get it, Mike.
there you go. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, don't. Hey, Mike,
There
look,
you
I
go.
gotta move my. Mike, I gotta move mine.
Uh,
There
hey,
you go.
hey,
There you go.
I've been doing my homework on these jumps for a minute, bro.
I see.
I had to go ahead. I had to go ahead and pay that money for it, bro.
Yeah, they look like it's pretty penny, but she didn't say
Man,
it doing what it do.
hey,
We can talk prices. This ain't guns.
man, go on Amazon. The jump's called 120, bro.
120. That's
120.
nice.
120.
Oh, that's nice.
And they
And I
got
like
one.
how that be. Oh, what? Oh shit.
They got all different kinds. Just do your homework on them, bro.
Yeah.
Some of them high, some of them lower. All of
And
them
I
do the
like the
same
fact.
thing though.
Yeah, it just the picture frame and all that,
Yeah.
how much modem and all that gigabytes and all that type of good shit. Already, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I said, look at my bro, upgrade on you bitches. My
Yo,
boy get comfortable
hey,
now. My boy comfortable around this hole. I said, look at
your
my
own cameraman, bro. Your own
you
cameraman. You
hear me?
feel me? Your own
That's
cameraman,
what I'm
bro.
talking about. I said, say.
For sure.
See, they don't understand, man. Say, man, my